I'm Dalton Barrett for News Radio WGNS, and here are some of the top stories impacting Rutherford County on your Rutherford Roundup for Wednesday, July the 22nd, 2026. Detectives with the Rutherford County Sheriff's Office are asking for the public's help identifying suspects accused of stealing thousands of dollars in roofing materials and tools from a Murfreesboro church. According to Sheriff's Detective Brian Gonzalez, unidentified people used several vehicles to remove approximately $14,300 worth of property from Crescent Church of Christ on July the 3rd. Surveillance cameras captured images of the suspects and the vehicles believed to have been involved. Those photos are available at WGNSradio.com. Anyone who recognizes the people or vehicles are asked to contact Detective Gonzalez at 615-904-3041. Meanwhile, another part of Murfreesboro is undergoing a major transformation as the city works to bring Town Creek back above ground. The creek was redirected into underground culverts and pipes about 70 years ago, but the city's daylighting Town Creek project is expected to be completed this fall. The work is part of a broader redevelopment plan for the historic Bottoms area west of Broad Street. Crews are installing stormwater treatment equipment, building head walls, and preparing river cobble for the restored stream channel. Jonathan Parker, senior construction manager with Griggs and Maloney, says workers are carefully separating clearer soil from materials that should not enter the creek. Plans also include a pedestrian bridge, seating areas, and trails connecting the Discovery Center, Cannonsboro Village, and the Greenway Trail System. Questions remain after the failed execution of Tennessee death row inmate Tony Kerthers, as the Tennessee Department of Correction declines to explain what went wrong. Kerthers' May execution was stopped after medical staff spent more than an hour unsuccessfully trying to establish intravenous access. State Representative Joni Barrett requested details about possible changes to training, procedures, oversight, and safeguards before the scheduled August 13th execution of Darrell Hines. TDOC responded that it would not comment because of ongoing litigation. Barrett criticized Governor Bill Lee and Commissioner Frank Strada, saying Tennesseans deserve accountability and a clear plan moving forward. Death penalty opponent Stacey Rector also questioned whether another execution should proceed before concerns are addressed. Meanwhile, artificial intelligence is creating new questions in Tennessee political advertising. Campaign ads in the Republican primary for the 6th Congressional District appear to use AI-generated images targeting candidates Van Hillary and John Garrett. One shows Garrett at an apparent pride parade, while another depicts a van featuring Hillary alongside an image of Bill and Hillary Clinton. Tennessee's Transparency for Deepfakes in Political Advertising Act took effect on July 1st. Sponsor Jason Zachary said certain deepfakes must include disclosures when they falsely show candidates saying or doing something. Both campaigns maintain that federal law governs the congressional race. A new national health registry is identifying gaps in care for patients with aortic stenosis, a serious condition that prevents the heart's aortic valve from opening properly. Researchers with Vanderbilt Health and the American Heart Association reviewed more than 8,000 patients at 58 medical centers. They found that only 54% received a timely diagnosis in 2023, improving to 61% in 2024. For patients whose need for aortic valve replacements was confirmed, 82% received treatment within 90 days in 2023, rising to 85% the following year. Doctors say medication can't correct the narrowed valve, making timely replacements critical. Vanderbilt's Dr. Brian Lindman said tracking results and sharing successful practices could help hospitals improve diagnosis and treatment. Meanwhile, Tennessee consumers appear to be paying off credit card debt faster than residents in much of the country. A WalletHub study ranked Tennessee 40th in the nation for longest payoff timelines, placing the state among the more financially resilient for debt management. With a median balance of $2,802 and median income of $54,307, the average Tennessean could eliminate that balance in about 11 months and 16 days. Landmark College professor Jeanette Lindman recommends building an emergency fund, following a budget, and reviewing household finances regularly. That's all for now. For updates on these and many more local news stories, you can check out our website, WGNSradio.com, or follow us on social media at News Radio WGNS on Facebook, as well as X. If you're enjoying the show, please leave a rating or review on Spotify and iTunes, a comment on YouTube, or share it with a friend. I'm Dalton Barrett for News Radio WGNS, part of your Good Neighbor Network, and I'll talk to you later.